Well, hi everyone. I wanted to stop in today and give you a quick tip on how to use your iPad and your Apple Pencil when using your 2022 Best Life Planner. So stick with me. Hi everyone, this is Crystal from A Crystal Clear Life, where we focus on planning, organizing, and living a more simplified life. Today, I wanted to show you I'm setting up a new habit tracker for January, and I decided to do it on my iPad rather than my desktop today, just because I want to give you guys a taste for what it looks like to plan on your iPad. Okay, so I am using a standard iPad with my Apple Pencil, second generation, and I have downloaded and copied my 2022 Life Planner into OneNote. And today we're going to be taking a look at our habit tracker page. So let me zoom in and give you a closer look at that. You see here that there's a space for the habit and then 31 lines across, so that you can mark off what you're doing. Now, I have a number of things that I track, and I'm going to be using a variety of different pens up here at the top. Just wanted to show you some of that. Okay, I'm going to choose for January, I'm going to choose a pretty blue color, and I want to make sure that my pen size is a size that I like. You can make it very small, or you can make the nib of the pen much wider, and you see that it gets wider as it goes along. For writing, I tend to like this second nib width, and I'm actually going to go with a different color blue, just because I don't like that really bright blue. So here we go. I can tap on my screen, zoom into the area that I want, and I can start writing. One of the first things that I do in the morning is I write down my AM blood sugar levels. So I will put that there. I also record whether I took my AM medicine. So I will put that there. I also record my weight each day. And this year I am starting back again with logging my food. So I want to include that as one of my habits. So reminding myself on my habit tracker to track my food throughout the day will be very helpful. Have I hydrated properly? Have I gotten some exercise? Or what I like to call move it. And I really like to track these habits on a monthly spread because it really gives me an overall picture of what's happening during the month rather than doing them on a week-to-week basis. Okay, then I'm going to skip down and I'm going to see if I did my morning routine. And a couple of other habits that I'm working in for this year is to read or learn something every day. So I'm going to mark that down here. Then I'm also going to mark down my PM routine and my financial check-in. That simply is logging any expenses that I had throughout the day. Okay, now that does it. And then what I can do is I can go in here and mark this as my January habit tracker. So let me go grab a quick sticker to make this look cute. I have a lot of stickers. Let's see. I wasn't built for winter. Hibernation mode activated. These are so cute. I think I want this pretty January sticker here. This one. And I'm going to copy that and we'll take it back to our 2022 planner. Paste up here at the top. Now, remember when it has this, the sizes, the squares and circles around it, that means I can resize it if I'd like. And I'm going to go back and get one more thing. Let's see. I love these little penguins. I'll take this one. And again, I will paste at the top. Ooh, she's big. That's all right, we can make her smaller. And there you go. Now I need to go in and set this picture as the background. This is how you do it on the iPad. You take that graphic, the whole big graphic of the page, and there's a feature that says set picture as the background, and now it will not try to move around as I am writing. Okay, I can simply go in here and record my blood sugar numbers. Let's say this morning was 97, and yes, I took my AM medicine, and write down what my weight is. Check at the end of the day if I have done my food log and hydration. You know, I simply can mark that something like this with lines if I'd like. I can put a check mark. I can put how far I walked if I'd like. Did I do my morning routine? Did I learn something new? Did I do my PM routine? And did I do my financial check-in? Okay, so that's kind of how this habit tracker can work. I can make it as simple or as elaborate as I'd like, but I just wanted to show you how it works with the Apple Pencil and on the iPad. If you found value in this video, I hope you'll go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I like really is the best compliment that you can leave me, and it helps YouTube know that what we're doing here is valuable. Also, if you are interested in digital planning, please send me a comment. I'd love to know if you have any questions or what kind of planner you're using. I'm always curious. There are so many things out there, and I really enjoy learning from you, hopefully as much as you enjoy learning from me. Well, that's all for me today. I'm going to continue working in my planner. I just wanted to share this short video with you, and until next time, I'll see you later. Okay, bye.